Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a band review on some Rainbow Loom bands. I have two packages. I have the pastel teal and the solid black. And then I have some Wonderloom bands that I've opened recently. These are still in like packaged quality, so that I just already had them open, so I put them in that container. And then I got these Krazy Looms bands, and I got them at a thrift store, and they were like 50 cents for a pack. So I just went ahead and got some because they're really cheap. And these change color in the sun. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Wonderloom ones because I already have them out. Oh, and by the way, I'm not sponsored for this. I'm not getting paid for this. So all of my reviews will be completely honest, and there's nothing in it for me. I'm just doing a video. So I have these Wonderloom bands. They're pretty stretchy. I would say you could wrap it around 2 pegs about 4 times on a standard loom. And yeah, I do really like these bands. The Krazy Loom bands, I'm going to open them. I have had some of these before. Okay, it comes with a few S-clips. Usually has more than that, but I guess it was just a factory mistake. These are not as stretchy at all. They're very, I mean, if you stretch them out, they do get stretchier, but they're more firm and, less, like, here's the Wonderloom one, and here's the Krazy Loom one. Like, there's more resistance and they don't stretch as far. But they still work for, like, cat bands, and if you just need a clear or jelly white band, they work just fine. They're just not as nice. And then the Rainbow Loom bands. I've actually never had Rainbow Loom bands before, at least not that I can remember. I used to be into this when I was, like, 4, and now I'm 11, so I haven't had them ever or in a very long time, so they've changed a lot if I have ever had them. So here's one of the bands. This is the pastel teal. It's not as stretchy as the Wonderloom bands. There's a little bit more resistance. Like, here's the Wonderloom, and here's the Rainbow Loom. They don't stretch as far, but I heard that they're pretty hard to break. So, like, if you're not trying to break it, then it's not going to break. So, I have noticed that the pastel bands and the opaque bands feel different. I got one of these out earlier, and they're, like, even less stretchy. I still do really like these bands. Like, so here's the pastel one, and it's more like the Wonderloom band. And then here's the black one, the opaque band. And it's not as stretchy, but again, it's pretty similar. These each come with a pack of 24 C-clips, and I really love this color. I'm definitely going to use it a lot. And I did do a Wonderloom band review a while back, but I didn't compare them to anything. So, yeah. I'll leave that, in the corner. It should be up there. And yeah, so if you want, I can link these bands in the description. These I have linked in the Wonderloom band description, the Wonderloom review description, and oh yeah, and I'm getting a Rainbow Loom soon. I just got a bunch of birthday money, so I'm gonna get a loom. Woohoo! I have one, but it's like 6 years old, and one of the pegs broke off and stuff, and it's just not doing good. it's not Rainbow Loom either. It's like a off-brand one. Let me know in the comments down below which loom brand is your favorite. Rainbow Loom, Wonderloom, or the Krazy Loom, not this Krazy Loom. Yeah, so let me know what your favorite loom brand is. I will have all of these bands linked in the description down there. And these I might not link because they're in my other Wonderloom video, and that will probably be up there or on this side. I don't know. I think it's on this side. And then I don't know if you could actually find these online, so I'll look, and if I can, I'll link them too. So anyway, thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.